I'm following you on Instagram.
Yeah, sure. So you haven't been following me on as well?
No, I haven't.
Anyway, cool t-shirt.
This is from Aisuka.
ISOOKA, Aisuka.
Actually, it's a wishes customized top. Check this out. We've got the back. All the places that we visited. How cool is that?
Oh, that's really cool.
And if you like the shirt that I'm wearing here, it's actually quite cute. Amazingly cool. It's got all the spots on it. It has a trophy and a shuttlecock and a racket. I quite like it. If you like the shirt, you can get it on Aisuka along with this wishlist shirt. Oh.
Whoever buys this from Aisuka,
You get it hand delivered from yours truly. Yay! Personally deliver the shirts to you for free.